Hey there, welcome back to another informative video. So let's see the top 5 new updates that WhatsApp is rolling out in recent days. So let's start the video without any further ado. But before that, if you are new to this channel, then make sure to subscribe because we are close to 1k community. So without wasting any further ado, let's start the video and see what are the new updates. So the very first update we can see is video recording in our chats. So earlier you can only send audio messages by clicking on this audio icon, but now if you click on this icon, then you can either choose between audio or video recording option. So if you click and hold on to this video recording, then a recording will start after a countdown and it will appear in circle form while sending. So this is how it will look like while recording your video messages, and after recording it, this is how it will look like while you send it. And yeah, it is a good update for the people who like to send video recording messages in chats. The next big update we can see in video call option. So while you are video calling, you can now click on screen share option and share your screen to the members on a video call. So when you click on screen share option, it will ask you some necessary permission. So allow this option and it will start sharing your screen to the participants in the video call. Now you can edit captions when you are forwarding any media containing caption. So just delete the caption like this, means click on this cross mark and delete the caption, and you can edit your own message, and now you are good to send it. The next update you can see in UI changes. So now if you click on this emoji icon, then the whole UI is changed to the new one. So this is the new UI and this is how it will look like, unlike the previous one. And in my opinion, previous UI was good as compared to the new one. So this is not a new, but you can click on this icon and now you can message yourself by just clicking on your contact, which will appear on top of the list. Actually, this is a good option unlike previous method where you need to type a URL in Google to actually message yourself. You can now easily message yourself. You can write to-do list, you can write anything and use it like notepad for your own purpose. And yeah, that was some of the new update that WhatsApp has rolled out recently, and you can now use it too. I hope this video was helpful for you. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll meet you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.